Thinking about upgrading, but your old mini PC could still be worth a lot more than you think. Now MINISFORUM officially launched the Trade-In Program, helping you trade your old device for your next upgrade. Eligible device can receive up to around 80% trade-in value. It's not just about upgrading, it's also about reducing e-waste and giving old hardware a second life. Our trading services supports eligible product purchased more than 6 months ago. Before applying, let's quickly check the different condition level. Level A means the device boots normally, includes the original adapter, and only shows minor signs of use. Level B means the device still boots normally, but the original adapter is missing. Level C, device still boots normally, but may have cracks, dents, or visible damage to the chassis. Level D means the device still boots normally, but the original adapter is missing, and the chassis has visible damage that requires replacement. If the device cannot boot, the final trade-in value will be determined after inspection. If you want to know approximately how much your device is worth, you can estimate it directly on the trade-in page. The system will estimate your trade-in value based on your device mode and condition. Now, let's apply for a trade-in. Step 1. Fill out the trade-in application form. For devices not purchased from the official store, please provide a purchase screenshot or invoice for evaluation. Step 2. Send back your old device within 7 days. Before shipping, make sure to back up your important data and package the device carefully. Step 3. Once we receive your device, it will go through an official inspection. The evaluation result will usually be sent to you by email within 3 days. After confirmation, you will receive a gift card for your next upgrade. Check your device value today and start your upgrade with MINISFORUM.